The City of Corpus Christi's Police Department, Code Enforcement, and the Texas National Guard are teaming up to demolish old and dilapidated structures in our neighborhoods.
Local law enforcement, National Guardsmen, Officer Blue, and children from a nearby elementary came to watch the Texas National Guard do their work as they demolish an abandoned building on Cheyenne Street.
So Operation Crackdown gives the opportunity for the National Guard to come into the communities and help demolish these deplorable homes that are used for illicit activity.
This demolition is one of 20 that will take place in our city to rid neighborhoods of criminal activity and structural eyesores.
So it's great for the city, it's great for the community, especially when you have an elementary school like we have here in this case. Right across the street, there's this home. So it sends a message, right? It sends a message to the community, it sends a message to the kids, to our younger citizens that the community cares, that the city officials care for them and keeping our community safe.
Texas National Guard stepped in, helped us take back our neighborhoods. As you know, Corpus Christi believes that cleaning up the neighborhoods is the first step in stopping crime. And this speaks to the community spirit. Remember, it takes a community to make real change. We cannot police our way or arrest our way out of any issue. We need other resources to make things happen.
If you spot an old dilapidated home in your neighborhood, report it to 361-826-2489 or visit our website, www.cctexas.com.
Reporting for the City of Corpus Christi, I'm Yvette Garcia Jones.